What's up YouTube and welcome to Desi Dad Reviews. In today's video we'll be going over this, the Persil ProClean Laundry Detergent Disc. Let's get started. Welcome to Quarantine 2020. Now with all of this extra free time you've probably picked up something new, a new hobby or a new thing to do. Some of you have picked up cooking while others may have been trying to reach their fitness body goals. But if you're like me, you've done none of the above, and in fact, you've sat and binge-watched your favorite television shows while eating a ton of junk food. Am I right? Now, all of these things have something in common. Your clothes are actually going to get really dirty. You could be cooking and something can splash on you. You can get really sweaty from all of that exercise. And let's face it, cleaning agents may leave a stain on your clothes. So one of the things you're going to be doing a lot more of is laundry. And that's where this comes in. So let's take a closer look. This is the Persil ProClean Laundry Detergent Disc. Now it comes in a few different types. Original, just like this one, Oxy, and Stain Fighter for those tough to beat stains. Small disclaimer though, this is not the original retail packaging. This is actually a sample of the product. But the product contained inside is exactly the same as what you would find if you were to purchase this product in store. Now let's take a closer look at what this product packaging has to offer. Right up here in this image, you can see that this is a high energy efficiency rated product. As well, these are the product's claim to fame, and this is a pretty accurate representation of what the product looks like inside this packaging. It's also true to size, so it's about 1.5 inches in diameter. Flipping over to the back, you get a list of instructions to follow, and I do recommend following this instructions word for word because they're really useful. And a cautionary tale indicating that ingesting this product is injurious to health. So, if you have small children or pets that do kind of, get around, definitely keep this out of their way so that you want to keep it in an upper shelf and that they can't have access to it, just to be safe, because safety's first. Now, the instructions on this product are incredibly easy to follow. You take one of the discs out of the packaging and put it in the drum, the place where you put all of your clothes. Then you load your laundry machine up with all of the clothing you'd like to get washed. Next, you close the lid, set all the settings that you need to set, and let the machine do the magic. But there are a few things that I would love for you to keep in mind while you're using this product. It'll make using this product a lot easier to do. The first thing I want you to keep in mind is that you have to put the disc in first. The reason is there are two types of machines, the front loader and the top loader. The front loading machine is where the door opens towards you, and the top loading machine is where the door opens up. Now both of these machines fill with water starting from the bottom. The thing is, if you put this in second after you filled your laundry machine with all of your clothes, it's not going to dissolve immediately on impact with the water. The whole purpose of this disc is to dissolve with contact with water. So if you want the best possible clean using a product like this or any other product that is a dissolvable pod, please make sure to put the pod in first. The second thing I need you to keep in mind is how many of these discs you actually need to use to have an effective load of laundry. Well, typically for an average medium-sized load with not too many stains to fight, you can use just one. But if you've got a larger load or if you've got those extra stains that you want to try and get out with this product, I'd say going up to 2 is pretty okay. But going beyond that, I didn't really notice any added benefit. The third thing to keep in mind is the temperature setting of your laundry machine. Now, typically, this product is a high energy efficiency product, which means that you can use it with any water temperature, cool all the way to hot. Personally, I keep my machine set to cool cold because I do like to save a little bit of extra money on my energy bill. Now, you're probably wondering how this stands up to the competition, something as famous as Tide Pods. Well, personally, I'm from a Tide family. I've grown up using Tide, something that you've probably seen in plenty of retailers, that famous orange bottle. And using this product, I was a little bit skeptical. I didn't know how it was going to stand up to Tide, but I was pleasantly surprised. I have to admit, using this product, the clothes smelled fresh and they came out really clean. Now, speaking of smells and fragrances, this product doesn't have any fragrance additives, so if you are sensitive to fragrance scents or you're sensitive to scents in general, this might be a good fit for you. Now, I do want to tame your expectations just a little bit when it comes to this product. Now, this disc is effective at getting rid of basic stains, but if you have an advanced stain, something like tomato sauce, and it's really ground in, it's not going to magically remove that stain, although it may lighten it. But for those kinds of situations, I recommend following basic laundry best practices, something like pre-treating your stains or soaking your clothing in a little bit of a water and detergent mixture. Now, when it comes to this, I was a little bit disappointed. It did mean that I have to have a bottle of liquid laundry detergent handy for situations like this, and I had to say that this was a little bit of a downside towards the product. Also, with clothes that came originally white, I didn't really notice any bleaching or whitening of those clothes, and I didn't notice any extra pop by using this Persil disc. And when it came to colors clothing, I didn't really notice any color fade in any way, and if there was any fade, it was so minimal that it was barely noticeable. But one of the things I was really impressed with was how soft our clothes came out. Now, I didn't use any fabric softener while using this disc, and I was pleasantly surprised. I mean, I didn't think they would come out this soft for something that was so incredibly concentrated and doesn't really list that it has fabric softener built in anywhere. The clothes came out really soft and really nice to the touch. So, do I recommend this product for you and your use? Absolutely. It was really easy to use, and on top of it, it left my clothes smelling fresh and looking clean. Another huge plus for me is that Persil makes it really easy. There aren't a lot of varieties to choose from, like if you go down the aisle in your retailer and you try to pick out a new bottle of Tide. Trust me, I've been there. It's really difficult to choose, especially with all of the options. Persil limits that, and that I think was a huge bonus for me, so picking this up off the shelf was really easy. I definitely recommend trying this product out, especially if it's your first time and if you're coming from a hardcore Tide family like mine. Now it retails for about $12 US, and it comes in a tub that's about this big and has about 40 pieces inside. When it comes to being priced against its competition, it's really competitive. In fact, it's actually the same price for about the same amount of quantity of pieces inside. But when you're comparing it to something like liquid laundry detergent, you are paying a premium on a price per load quantity. That's expected. I felt like that was something that they were naturally going to do, especially if they're trying to make your life doing laundry a little bit easier by making pre-measured packets that you can easily just throw in the laundry machine. So if you've used this product or you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to watch another video by Desi Dad Reviews, check out what YouTube recommends for you here. But until next time, this is Desi Dad Reviews, signing out.